Today we're going to talk a little bit about the pre-approval process for VA loans, what that is, why it's important, and how you can use that. So would you like to lead us off? Let's just start with what is the mortgage pre-approval process and how does that work?
So the process itself is not as scary as it sounds. It's actually pretty easy. It starts with a conversation either with a loan officer or a loan originator, or in some cases you can start the process online and you answer some basic questions about your income, about your purchase goals, and then the pre-approval process itself actually just verifies the information that you provided. And part of that also includes checking your credit score.
Okay, so it sounds like the bank just wants to get an idea of is this somebody we can work with and we can take that risk, if you will, to let them buy this house and we can underwrite it and back their mortgage. That's the whole process of what this is.
Pretty much, yeah. So
Okay.
really starts low, stakes are super low. It doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't take all that much time either. And then once you, a lot of times can take pictures of your documents, upload them very simply. So the whole thing isn't as scary as it sounds, but it's really, really important to get it so that you're taken seriously as a potential buyer.
Okay, so I am a military member. I want to buy a house. I'm going to use a VA loan because I think that's what's best for me. When in this process should I get a pre-approval? Is this something I should wait until I'm ready to buy? Should I start 6 months out? Where in that process, like how far out should I be looking?
I would say the sooner the better, honestly, because a lot of times what happens is there might be something that pops up that you're not necessarily aware of, or that is maybe lurking on your credit, maybe as a mistake even, or an error. And so the sooner the better. So if you want to, I would even talk to people, hey, even if you're a year out, it's okay. It's not like we have to continuously pull the credit, anything like that, but really just want to get you ready, because if there is something there that we need to address, it might take time to fix something. There may be something that is a hurdle that you just don't even see at the time. So the sooner the better. And then that way we have all the time in the world. The other thing is, let's say you don't plan to buy for 6 months, but with the market and the way houses come in and out of the market pretty often, I would always say to clients that I was working with, like, I would rather you have it in your back pocket, because if you're driving around on a Saturday or Sunday and all of a sudden this home pops up that you're super excited about, fits all your, checks all your boxes, would be great for your family. If you don't have that pre-approval in hand, you could really miss out on opportunity to make an offer on that property.